Hello everyone, my name is Awoyemi. Welcome to Fun Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can buy data from your Glo mobile app. So just stay with me. So I'm going to show you the step-by-step to buy data from your Glo mobile app, and the data that I want to buy is a monthly, not daily or weekly. So just stay with me as I'm going to show you, and please subscribe if you are watching my video for the first time. I want you to subscribe to Fun Tech and make sure that you turn on your bell notification so that when I post another video you are going to get notified. So the first step is make sure that your Glo Cafe has been credited with an airtime for you to buy data. That is what you must be sure of. So click your Glo mobile app and log in straight. Then you are going to can see here that then you are going to tap share buy data. You can see that I have 4040 something here, and this 779 MB, and I'm running out of data and I want to buy data now to top up this 779.65 MB. What I'm going to do next is to click this buy data. You can see, but I will make sure that this is what I want to buy data for. You can see buy data. Then you are going to select monthly plan. You can see it here, monthly plans, and you are going to select one off. You can see. Then I'm going to scroll down. You can see in 4080 gig. I'm going to select it according to what you want to buy. You can buy 20,000 for 138 gig. You can buy 18,000 for 119 gig. You can buy 15,000 for 93 gig, and you can buy 10,000 for 50 gig. I want to buy 4,000 for 18 gig, including 4 gig nights. Then I'm going to buy with airtime. Can see. Are you sure you want to subscribe? Yes. So I want to check my message now. Okay, let me go and check it again. You can have an issue with this. So I'm going to off my data and turn it off. I'm going to do this and turn on my data on again. You can see it now. Then I'm going to go back and buy it again and buy with airtime. I'm going to off this one. I'm going to off it, and I'm going to log in again. I'm going to log in again. I'm going to log into this app again. I'm going to cancel it, and I'm going to log in again to this app again. It's telling me to try again later. I'm going to put my phone on flight mode to enable this. That I'm going to make sure that it's worked. So I'm going to turn on my data again. Going to disable this from my phone. I'm going to close the tab. I'm going to log in again. So I want to log in now. You can see. So can see that is this 15.11 gig, and there you can see that is 15. This is what you can do. You can see 15.11 gig now. So I have received 15.11 gig, and I bought this SIM card recently, and for 4 months, if I buy data for 4 months, my data will be multiplied and it's called bonus data, and this 15 gig will be multiplied times 2, making it 30 gig. That's 15 extra gig is the data bonus for my new SIM card. So thank you. My name is Awoyemi. Welcome to Fun Tech again, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Peace.